I have a confession. Hindi ko pa natatry ang Dokito Burger. Ito daw yung tatalo sa chicken burger ng McDo at ng Jollibee. Totoo nga ba yan? Tara. Okay. Tayo sa hotdogs. Sadly, walang Dokito Burger na spicy, so we got the regular. Size-wise, normal size. Okay. I see. Mustard yung dito sa regular. And I think mayo yung sa spicy. Oh, eh. Okay. If I'm going to compare this to Jollibee, mas crispy yung Jollibee. But this one though, underdog. Tapos kung i-compare mo naman sa chicken sandwich ng McDo, I think yun yung laging in-order ng asawa ko eh. Masarap siya, and it's filling din, kaso hindi yun yung babalik-balikan mo. But this one, babalik ako. Medyo mas mataas yung expectation ko dun sa spicy. Kasi ang dami kong tropa na nagsasabing the spicy one is better. Kasi yung sauce daw, it's not mustard. I think it's mayo, kung tama yung pagkakalala ko. Anyway, anong status ng pagpapapayat natin? We lost 10 kilograms. Pero hindi pa ako satisfied. At dahil walang spicy Dokito Burger, we got ourselves Dokito Legs. Na spicy. Oh, by the way, ang gusto ko dun sa sandwich, they only fry the chicken when you order. Hindi siya yung katulad ng ginagawa ng mga iba, that they fry it, they keep it in the hot box, or under the food warmer. Galing yung strategy na yun kasi crispy pa rin yung outside and yung inside moist at hindi dry. Dito na tayo sa spicy Dokito Leg. Oh, this one. Oh, especially kapag mahilig ka sa maanghang, this is it pare. Second leg. Hey buddy. That is it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.